How to find deals on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you are hunting for hidden gems or looking to save money, these working hacks will help you find the best bargains and make most out of your marketplace experience. Let's dive in. Launch your Facebook. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now you can head towards the Marketplace tab. Once you're in this page, at the top right corner, you're gonna see the search icon. Click on it. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Type in the item name that you want to purchase and then search for it. With that, related options will appear. Now over here you'll find this icon, click on it. From here you can filter these options: brand, color, price, condition and other things. Once you do that, related options will appear. From the related options you can choose the item that you want to purchase. Then you can send a message to the seller. By applying the same process, you can search for other items as well and grab the best deal. And that's how you can find deals on Facebook Marketplace using these working hacks. Use these tips to discover hidden treasures and save money on your next purchase. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.